Hello friends, welcome to MAT. Accounting for joins the company. Issue of debentures. Debentures means it is an borrowing. Terms of issue: debentures issued at par, debentures issued at premium, debentures issued at discount. In the previous two videos already we discussed debentures issued at par and debentures issued at premium. In this video we are going to discuss debentures issued at discount. Let me discuss the practical question. Issue of debentures at discount. RBL Bank Limited issued 25,000 10% debenture of rupees 100 each at a discount of 10%. The amount payable as follows: rupees 20 on application, rupees 50 on allotment, balance on first and final call. All the debentures were subscribed and money duly received. Pass the journal entries. Let me discuss the question. Total number of debentures issued by the company 25,000 debentures, and the rate per debenture is in 100 each. So the company going to raise a long-term loan from the public way of debenture 25 lakh rupees, 25,000 into 100 each. Total 25 lakhs company going to raise a loan. And also in this question company is giving 10% discount. This 10% discount we need to calculate on the face value. Just I calculated here. 100 into 10 by 100, so equal to 10 rupees is an discount. And this money company going to collect in 3 installment. First installment 20 on application, second installment 50 on allotment, and balance on first and final call. I calculated here the balance. So we need to calculate on the issue price. The face value is in 100 and company giving 10 rupees discount. The balance issue price is 90 rupees. From 90 we need to minus 20 on application and we need to minus a 50 on allotment, and the balance 20 rupees is in first and final call. Now we will see the working note. 10% debenture 25,000 into 100 each. Total 25 lakhs is a loan company going to raise from the common public, and company gave a discount, so we need to minus the discount. Less discount on issue of debenture 25,000 into 10 each, 2,50,000. So a company going to collect 22,50,000 only, because the total loan amount is 25 lakhs and company gave a discount of 2,50,000, and the company will receive from the debenture holder 22,50,000, but the company will credit 25 lakhs in the debenture holder account. So this 22,50,000 rupees company going to collect in 3 installments. A first installment called as application. So 10% debenture application, 25,000 debentures into 20 each. So 5 lakh rupees company will collect at the time of application. After receiving the application, company will allot the debenture. Once it is allotted, company will collect second installment from the debenture holder. So 10% debenture allotment account, 25,000 debentures into 50 each, it is an 12,50,000 rupees. And also discount we need to adjust in allotment stage only. So discount on issue of debenture 25,000 into 10 each. This 10 already we calculated, so it is an 2,50,000 rupees. So the debenture holder will pay only 12,50,000 at the time of allotment, and company will add 2,50,000 as a discount, and total 15 lakh rupees the debenture holder account credited at the time of allotment. So it is an 10% debenture 25,000 into 60 each, 15 lakhs. And third installment company will collect as a first and final call. So 10% debenture first and final call account, it is an 90 is an face value as I explained earlier, and minus 20 on application and minus 50 on allotment. The balance 20 rupees is in first and final call. So 25,000 into 20 each will get 5 lakh rupees company going to collect in the last installment. So total this 22,50,000 a company will collect in 3 installment. First installment 5 lakhs and second installment 12,50,000, and third installment as in 5 lakh rupees. A total 22,50,000 rupees company will collect from the debenture holder, but the company will credit in their account 25 lakhs only. That we need to keep it in mind. Let's see the journal entries. Journal entries in the books of RBL Bank Limited, and we should make the format of date, particulars, LF, debit and credit. As we know, company going to raise a loan from the public way of debenture 25 lakh rupees, but the company going to collect 22 lakh 50,000 rupees. This 22 lakh 50,000 company will collect in 3 installments from the debenture holder. The debenture holder should deposit all 3 installments into the company's bank account. So now we should record the first installment, bank account debit to 10% debenture, application account 5 lakhs, 5 lakhs. Here we debited the bank according to American approach. When asset increase, we need to debit it. Bank come under asset category. So at the time of depositing first installment, bank balance increased. That is the reason we debited, and we need to credit to debenture application account 5 lakh, 5 lakh, and we should write the narration being 10% debenture application money received for 25,000 debentures of rupees 20 each. After receiving application money, the application money need to transfer to debenture account. So 10% debenture application account debit to 10% debenture account 5 lakhs, 5 lakhs. Here we credited the debenture. Debenture is a liability for the business because it is a loan raised by the company from the public way of debenture. So loan is a liability for the business. So when liability increase in business, we need to credit it according to American approach, and we should write the narration being 10% debenture application money transferred to debenture account. After receiving the application, company will allot the debenture. Once it is allotted, a company will transfer allotment money to debenture account, then the company will collect the money. So third entry, 10% debenture allotment account debit 12 lakh 50,000 rupees. Discount on debenture account debit 2 lakh 50,000. The discount we need to adjust in allotment only. Here we debited the discount since it is a loss for the company. The losses also we need to debit according to American approach. And to 10% debenture account 15 lakh. The debenture holder will pay as a due 12 lakh 50,000. A company will add 2 lakh 50,000 as a discount. The debenture holder account will be credited 15 lakh rupees. We should write the narration being 10% debenture allotment money due for 25,000, 10% debentures of rupees 50 each, discount adjusted 10 each. Here also we credited the debenture since the debenture is a liability for the business. When liability increase, we need to credit it. So this due company now going to receive through the bank. So bank account debit to 10% debenture allotment account 12 lakh 50,000, 12 lakh 50,000. See, the due is an the total due is 12 lakh 50,000, the due amount the company received, but a debenture holder account will be credited 15 lakhs. And we should write the narration being 10% debenture allotment money received for 25,000, 10% debenture of rupees 50 each. As you note here, in the first installment, company received application money, then application money transferred to debenture account. In the second installment, company transferred the allotment money to debenture account, then the company collected. The reason is, in the first installment, company don't know who is the debenture holder. That's why a company collected first and transferred. After receiving the applications, now company know who is the debenture holder. So company will transfer the allotment money to debenture, then the company will collect the second installment. Now we need to record the third installment. So 10% debenture first and final call account debit 5 lakhs to 10% debenture account 5 lakh. Now a third installment first and final call money we transferred it to debenture account. Here we credited the debenture. Debenture come under a long term borrowing. It is a loan. It's come under liability category. So when liability increase, we need to credit it, and we should write the narration being 10% debenture first and final call money due for 25,000, 10% debentures of rupees 20 each. Now this due company going to receive through the bank account. Bank account debit to 10% debenture first and final call account 5 lakhs, 5 lakhs. And here we debited the bank. When bank balance increase, we need to debit it. Bank come under asset category as we know, so we need to debit the bank, and we should write the narration being 10% debenture first and final call money received for 25,000, 10% debentures of rupees 20 each. Let me glance. The bank entries are similar. If you see in the first installment as a application, bank account debit to debenture application account. In second installment, bank account debit to 10% debenture allotment account. And even if you see in the third installment, bank account debit to 10% debenture first and final call. In all three installment, bank only will receive the money, so we need to debit the bank and we need to credit the various installments. And also the transfer entries also same. Here application money transferred to debenture account, and here a debenture allotment money transferred to debenture account, and also in the third installment a first and final call money transferred to debenture account. So in all three entries we need to credit the debenture, and when we debit we need to debit as a various installment. And the difference between par, premium and discount, only this entry. If it is discount we need to debit the discount on issue of debenture, since it is a loss for the company. Hope you understood this particular video. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel. All the best. Thank you.